friends, today we're going to read Rocks, Soils, and Fossils. What makes up rocks? Earth is made of rocks. A rock is made of minerals. A mineral is found in nature. A mineral was never a living thing. Minerals go together to make different kinds of rocks. This huge rock was made from a mineral called sandstone. Rocks and minerals are found under the soil and water. They make up mountains too. This is part of an old volcano. Properties of minerals. There are many kinds of minerals. Minerals have different properties. Hardness is a property. Hardness is how hard or soft something is. Diamonds are very hard. This mineral is hard. Luster is a property. Luster is how shiny something is. Some minerals are shiny, some are dull. Color is a property too. Some minerals come in different colors. These colorful stones are used to make jewelry. Properties of rock. A rock can be made of one mineral. It can be made of many minerals. The mineral in rock can be big, it can be small. This rock is made of 3 minerals. The color of a rock comes from the mineral in it. Rocks can be hard or soft. They can feel smooth, they can feel rough. This rock is shiny. How can you sort rocks? By all the different properties. Chapter 2, how do rocks change? Weathering wears away and breaks up rock. Wind and water cause weathering. Wind and water made these rocks wear away. Plants cause weathering too. Roots grew into cracks in this rock. The roots split the rock into pieces. Erosion. Weathering and erosion both change earth. Erosion carries weathered rock and soil from place to place. Water and wind cause erosion. Erosion from waves wear away the land. Gravity causes erosion too. Gravity pulls all things towards each other. Gravity makes water run down. Water carries rock with it. Gravity makes water and ice flow down. Cause and effect. What causes erosion? Chapter 3. What makes up soil? Soil is the loose material that covers earth. Soil has water, rock and water in it. It has air and humus too. Humus is tiny bits of dead plants and animal in soil. Humus is full of nutrients. Nutrients help a plant grow well. Dead plants fall into the ground. They break into small bits, and then the bits mix with soil to make rock. Soil is made up of 3 parts. These parts are called layers. Top layer. This layer has a lot of humus. Plants grow here. Middle, this layer has less humus. It is full of small rocks. Bottom, this layer has big rocks. Tree roots can grow down into this layer. How soils differ. Soil has different properties. Some soil have lots of humus. They are dark in color. Some soil have a lot of rock. Some are wet, some are dry. Dark soil is good for growing plants. Topsoil, clay soil, and sandy soil, different kinds of soil. Topsoil has lots of humus. It's good for growing plants and is dark in color. Clay soil is made of clay. It's sticky when it's wet and it's brown, red, or yellow. Sandy soil has a lot of rock, feels gritty, and is tan or light brown. Animals help soil. Many animals live in soil. Some animals dig in soil. Some just move through it. Worms, lice. Animals break soil into small bits. This helps air get into the soil. It keeps it from washing away. It helps plants get nutrients from the soil. Animals dig into soil. They help air and water move through it. Compare and contrast. How are the soils different? Chapter 4. What clues do fossils give? A fossil is what is left of something that used to live a long time ago. Fossils are made in different ways. Some fossils are imprints. An imprint is made when a living thing presses down into soft mud, like this leaf. Some fossils are hard parts of animals. Bones and teeth can be fossils. Mud covers the bone and teeth. It hardens around them and turns them into rock, like this fossil bone. Learning from fossils. Fossils tell us about plants and animals that lived a long time ago. Some animals are gone from the earth. Dinosaurs are one of those animals. We learn about them from fossils. Fossils help us learn about dinosaurs. Fossil bones tell us how big an animal was. Imprints tell us how they looked. Tracks show how it moved. Tracks tell us how an animal moved. So the foot prints, right? Clues to Earth's past. Living things from today look like living things from long ago. We look at fossils to see how things change. Dinosaur bones look like bird bones. Some people think they come from the same family. Ferns once made up huge forests, fossil imprint. Fossils teach us about Earth from long ago. If we find fossils of fish, we know there was once fish there. For our conclusions, what can you conclude from finding a fossil in a rock? And there's some glossary. I hope you enjoyed our book, friends.